Hi guys, we are from Group 6. We will explain about the circuit that we have. Design our circuit. Design is center-tapped full-wave rectifier with a Zener diode as voltage regulator. For this setup circuit, we use the capacitor with capacitance 1 microfarad and we use 2 resistor with resistance 1 kilo ohms. Then Zener voltage is 5 volt. Firstly, to get the waveform, we set the oscilloscope 0.2 milli per second. Then we can see the first oscilloscope show an AC waveform. For our setup, we use a function generator. Then we set the frequency with 2 kHz and with 7 volt amplitude. We say that we use center-tapped full-wave rectifier because we use a 2 diode. Then the AH voltage will undergoes the center-tapped full-wave rectifier, so the output will double the input frequency that pulsates every half cycle of the input. Then the capacitor will act as filter in a power supply that used to reduce the variation of the output voltage. From a rectifier, voltage become discharge, this variation called ripple voltage, to conclude the smaller ripple, the better filtering action. The values of filter capacitance and load resistance determine the discharge and charge time of the capacitor. As such, the values of filter capacitance and load resistance also affect the amplitude of the ripple voltage at the filter output. The amplitude of the ripple voltage at the output of a filter varies inversely with the values of filter capacitance and load resistance. For Zener diode voltage, we set a 5 volt. Zener diode in this circuit acts as voltage regulator, so it's maintain a nearly constant voltage. To conclude that you can see from the waveform, it's almost constant or smooth. Zener regulator reduces the amount of ripple voltage present at the filter output. Zener diode has some small dynamic resistance. The source voltage is time-varying signal consisting of both a DC component and a small signal component. Thanks for watching. I hope this will help you guys to understand more about full-wave rectifier and Zener diode as voltage regulator.